Mmm. You be popping those things?
Yeah.
Why you standing on the table?
I don't know. We don't pee. You know, Mama there?
Remember you came up there?
Yeah.
You're gonna use your feet. Don't jump on it. Don't jump. If you're gonna do it, just step. Don't jump. Oh, that's why you want to use your feet.
Yes. My mom, love my mom.
No.
Yeah.
Let me help you.
Yes. No, me too, myself. This one, yes.
It's not better with your fingers.
The heart.
Mm-hmm. You're doing it. Mmm.
Oh, no.
Oh, you use your toes. Boy, sis, why don't you use your fingers? Look.
No, they're better.
It's better with your feet?
Yeah.
No.
My blanket.
This table is not
No,
sturdy.
no, don't.
Show me your blanket.
Yeah.
I will. Hold up.
My blanket. Me like your blanket. Oh, the new one.
Huh?
The new one.
That's a new blanket. Let me see. Turn it around.
No more.
Turn it around. Turn it around. You only had it for like a week. Let me see. Turn the blanket around. Turn it around so we can see it. Your Linky box.
Yeah, the old one.
There you go. Turn it. Open it.
One.
Open it. Oh, nice. You got Linky box and what is it? Foxy and Boxy?
Yeah. Hello. Her boo. Her boy. Her boy.
Boy, girl. Boxy
I
and
don't
Foxy.
need it no more.
Yes.
Be careful.
I no more jumping. I feel like you're gonna break. You're gonna. Ew, you farting.
My father, my dad's father.
That was not me, boy.
No, maybe not my father. Wait. Hello.